ready for typhoons. In September, Typhoon Ragasa, with strong wind and heavy rain, caused a big loss in Hualien. Many people were hurt and some people even died. In my house, the power was out for days. It was very hot at night, and I couldn't dry my hair after washing it. We must be ready before the typhoon comes. We can close windows, bring in plants and toys, and keep food, water, and a flashlight in the house. We also need to be in a safe place after the typhoon. I have learned we should help clean up and thank everyone who kept us safe.